Get off my property.
This is my house. I have to defend it. This is it.
I don't care if I have to get out on your runway and
System.
You guys give up, or you're thirsty for more?
They try to ignore me.
Howdy do. This is Peter McAllister.
the way I'm feeling right now, no mugger or murderer would dare mess with me.
Where are we?
Ah! What is that thing?
Oh, it likes me. Uh-huh. Speak.
Hi there.
Did that dog just say hi there?
Oh, yes.
Run!
Hi.
They're coming!
Russell, give me your hand! Does anyone know where they are?
About Crazy Feet. I'm a blur. You never seen Bear style. Would you hit it?
How's that?
Oh! Can I punch through walls?
Invites you to see the world through the eyes of a child. Now, he's off.
Babies
Eddie, he's getting up.